what if I just... Okay. I don't think anyone can hear me on the OBS right now. If I do this, they can hear me, but my computer is killing it. Kind of enunciate. No, that's not the word. Exemplifies of my idiocracy. Okay, whatever. You deal with it. Okay, so we have a variety of options here. I'll just go for like 60, because everything else will break your wallet. So just easy. That's pretty good. And make sure you get a hot top artwork, because you don't want a solar unless you want to. I don't really care. Yes. As for the plate and everything, I don't really know at this point. I'm kind of dumb. Oh no, he's muted. Wait, no, not muted. Okay, now I think he can see stuff. He's not saying stuff. Okay. You can't hear. Oh, right. Alright, right. I forgot to like unmute on this side. Anyways, okay, so after the PCB, what do we do again? I'm kind of stupid. Alright, stabilizers. Okay, so any stabilizers you get with like a bare bones kit, which is just like Keychron Q1 bare bones or whatever. Like it comes with the PCB case, plate, and everything. Those are yeah, those are okay, but I would just get a separate one, like a cherry screw-ins. Plate mounts suck, so just letting you know. Okay, so let's just say cherry screw-ins. That should be good. Yeah. You just gotta make sure that your PCB, if I can find it, is compatible. Yes, that is the word. It is indeed a word. Word. Okay. Um, do these look compatible? I'm kind of... Are these... No. Yes? Okay, no. Wait. Are those, kind of... Are these screw-ins or clip-ins? Right. What if we just check here? Oh, it is screw-ins. Alright. And what is this? Whatever. Okay. So we got the PCB and we got the stabilizers. We just... Yes, let's go to switches. If you like have a lot of money, you can go to like drop.com and get some pretty cool switches like Holy Pandas, but don't. Just if you're like really on a budget like me, uh, this is pretty good. You got the Gatoron yellows, and they're already lubed, so pretty good. You can choose between red, silver, and yellow too, which is pretty good. Beast. So you got whatever you want to do. I would not recommend looping these on your first time. Just get better first, you know. Yeah, so like if you're going for like a 60%, which is like how many 65 keys ish, you'll get like 70 pieces, right? And you would need to at least contribute maybe, I don't know, couple hours, 5, I don't know, I never looted them before. Yeah, quite a while. Several, yes. Okay, so let's just say you're going with the Gatoron yellows, and since we're doing a 60%, you would want to get 2 of these because each is 35. Now onto the case. This really just depends on your budget. If you're kind of like poor, just get a KBD case or something. Yes. Okay, so let's go to featured because yes, we got like a 60% plastic case, and you can go from like all the way to like a KBD fan. You can get a tofu 660. It's like $90, so it's not bad, but you know, budget. So if you're like poor, this is pretty good, this one. And if you're not as poor, this one's pretty good. So let's just say a tofu 60. Avoid the E colors because they're E-girls and E-boys, which is pretty cringe, you know? Just go for black or silver, whatever. Okay, so keycaps is a pretty important topic. So if you go to like feature, there's different types of keycaps and quality will differ between brand to brand. So you got stuff like GMK, which is considered like the best, with like air quotation marks there. Quote unquote best, yeah. And you got these cheaper ones. I would just go for like a cheaper kit because you're kind of gonna be screwed if you try to get a GMK kit. Not even 6, sometimes like 2 years. Just don't get JMK. Not yet. Yes. Okay, so for your keycaps, there's a lot of choices. Oh my god. I hate how this is words. My microphone is like echoing, so it's killing me. Okay, so let's go down this way, and since you're poor, let's go from low to high. There's different profiles. So let's just Google it. Keycap profiles. This is pretty good. This one is good too. No, they're the same. Yeah. Most people opt for like cherry or essay. I don't really care, but if I were you, Yeah, OEM is okay because it's like a little taller than cherries, but it offers more of a. Actually, I think that's all it had is just taller. Akko sells a mix between the OEM and an SA, so you get the feel of SA while at the height of OEM. So you don't get like, yeah, I'm like really smart, totally. Anyways, so for your first board, I would just go for a cherry or SA. If you have like really small hands, don't go to SA. Just don't go for cherry or something because these are tall, big tall. So if we scroll down here, okay, so there's like two different plastics, but PBT is the more popular of them. It yeah, really? Or, oh, yeah, right. Just get a like a PBT set. I personally like I personally like PBT, and on top of PBT, there's something called die sub and double shot. Yeah, so like die sub is uh don't they just print it on? I forgot. Anyways, yes, and then double shot just means there's a two layers of plastic. So if we just go to these like arrow keys, I don't know why this is. If they're like see-through like this, they're probably double shot. Yeah, backlit. So first board, just cherry or OEM, and PBT die sub is a pretty good true choice. So let's just say this is pretty good. It's a black on white $40 keycap set. And since the switches are like 3 pins, are they 3 pins? Is it 3 pin? Yeah. You would need a plate. I mean, get a plate regardless, but also just make sure that everything you get is compatible with your PCB. So, where is it? You can get like a polycarbonate plate, 60%, because yes, of course. This is because it delivers a better sound signature, in my opinion, at least. Yeah. Or if you have like a gasket mount, which is like it moves while you type, then I don't think you need that an added flex. But mm, should be. I think that's all of the components. Yeah, right. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Right? I feel like we're missing something like oh, right. Um, um, just don't lube yet. I mean, like, you can get like a dielectric grease from your local auto shop and to do the wires. I'll link down some tutorials done by Teha Types because she's better. Right. As for like cables, because you kind of need one. Um, don't get these cables because they're a little bit too expensive. Just go, yeah, but like money. Just go to like low to high, and one, yeah, literally this one will do you pretty good. This one or that one, like just cable. This is pretty good. This will do pretty good because this is a USB-C port. Just make sure. Don't be an idiot. And yes, so you can add these foams that makes it sound better. But like, if you don't have the extra $20, don't get it. You know. Yeah, I literally have some packing foam that I'm planning to use. I think that's everything. Are we missing something? Probably. Oh yeah, websites. Um, KPD fans. That's it. But there's like more, like Divinity. It's it's yeah, AliExpress because China. And Divinity shipping will be free as long as like you get a whole keyboard set, or like over $100. Yeah, also live in the United States. That's a pretty important thing. Clock, what does and AliExpress keyboard. AliExpress got these knockoff clones. What is this? No, I just this is Newegg, not. That's what I did. Okay. Here it is. You got these. You got Red Dragon or Red Dragon. You know. You got switches. Oh, actually, they have switches. Per lot. Yeah. So like shipping. Just So the most beginner friendly, in my opinion, would be KBD fans. Totally. Oh, and desk mat, because oh, this looks pretty cool. Base might join this group. Like actually, it does look very cool. Anyways, thanks for sticking with us for this, like, I don't know, kind of long-ish video. Subscribe or don't. I don't care. Bye.